Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Pendoo T95 Android 10.0 TV Box. Is it the budget-friendly powerhouse you're looking for, or does it fall short in some critical areas? Let's find out. The Pendoo T95 Android 10.0 TV Box is making waves in the market with its impressive specs at a budget-friendly price. But before you hit that buy button, there are a few things you need to know. So, let's start with what it lacks. First up, missing features. While the Pendoo T95 packs a punch with its hardware, it doesn't support voice control or smart home integrations like Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. If you're used to these conveniences, you might find their absence a bit of a letdown. And for all you streamers out there, here's a major point to consider. Despite its ability to handle 4 Kelvin and even 6 Kelvin resolution, the Pendoo T95 can't stream Netflix or Prime Video in full 4 Kelvin due to certification issues. This means you're limited to HD streaming for these services. It's a common drawback with non-brand name TV boxes, but definitely something to keep in mind. Pros: budget-friendly, powerful specs, runs latest Android 10.0, supports 4 Kelvin and even 6 Kelvin resolution, HEVC H.265 and VP9 decoding for efficient streaming, dual-band Wi-Fi and wired Ethernet. Cons: no voice control or smart home integration. No 4 Kelvin streaming for Netflix or Prime Video due to certification issues. Basic remote control without voice control. No batteries included. Now, let's talk about what the Pendoo T95 does well. This device is loaded with features that are pretty impressive for its price point. Running on Android 10.0, it ensures compatibility with the latest apps, giving you a smooth, bug-free experience. With 4 GB of RAM and 128 GB of ROM, you've got plenty of operating power and storage. And you can expand it even further with a microSD card. The HEVC H.265 and VP9 decoding capabilities mean more efficient streaming and up to 50% bandwidth saving. Plus, it supports high-resolution content up to 6 Kelvin and even 3D, assuming the content and your service provider support it. In terms of connectivity, it's equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi and a 100M Ethernet port, ensuring stable internet access for seamless streaming. Pretty cool, right? But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The remote control is pretty basic and lacks modern features like voice control. Plus, it doesn't come with batteries, which might seem like a minor detail but shows a bit of oversight in packaging. So, how does the Pendoo T95 stack up against the competition? Let's break it down. Compared to the NVIDIA Shield, which is priced higher, the Pendoo T95 falls short in performance and features like voice control and 4 Kelvin streaming. The Transpeed Android 10.0 offers similar specs with a better remote and gigabit Ethernet, but it also misses out on voice control and 4 Kelvin streaming. And then there's the Amazon Fire Stick 4 Kelvin. While it's less powerful, it supports 4 Kelvin streaming and comes with Alexa voice control. However, it has a more restrictive OS compared to the flexible Android system. So, what's the final verdict? The Pendoo T95 Android 10.0 TV Box is a solid choice for those looking for high specs at an affordable price. But if voice control and 4 Kelvin streaming are non-negotiables for you, it might be worth investing in a more premium device. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.